Hello! In this video, I would like to show you how to release your inner thigh muscles. These muscles, also called the adductors, bring your leg inside, and they are very hard to get to. So we're going to use several techniques to get to those muscles as deep as we possibly can. Trigger points in this area can often cause pain, discomfort in the pelvic area, around sacrum, coccyx, sometimes deep inside the hip, like you're having like some joint problem. They can also cause issues in the knee, especially the inside on the knee. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to try our best to get those muscles as much as possible. So first of all, you're going to reach your leg out, and you're going to try to rotate it a little bit outwards. So your external rotation. You're going to take small sphere ball, and you're going to place it right inside of your hip. So you're going to try rolling out and pressing, applying this deep pressure over here. Get as close to the groin area as possible, and then kind of start moving outwards. Feeling for those muscles. You'll know that you found your inner thigh muscles if you can feel that pain kind of going downwards the leg, usually. And you're going to keep rolling through it, again, kind of kneading the ball into the muscle. And find the spots. Again, if you find a spot that's particularly sensitive, apply pressure, hold. Release. You can also try using a larger ball to cover more space, more area. And it might be a little bit more effective in some of the spots. So use these two tools for this. Now, once we've done this, go ahead and move all the way down. We're going to go ahead and try to reposition ourselves, go down on our stomach and get into these muscles from the other angle. If you're flexible enough, you might be able to get this release, bring the leg forward. The other leg that's not working goes straight. You're going to place the ball under the inner thigh and press into it. So the more open your hips are, the easier it will be for you to press this ball in here. And if this is just not your normal range of flexibility, just go ahead and just use the ball sitting down. There's no need to torture yourself or to cause any extra pain if this is not something that you're comfortable with. You're not going to be able to roll much in this position, so just kind of move the weight of your body back and forth a little bit. That's going to help you find those spots, massage these muscles. And you're going to be moving closer towards the knee. And as you're moving closer towards the knee, you might be able to use a small sphere massage ball for this spot. The closer you get to the groin area, the better it is to use the large ball, simply because it's easier to get to the trigger points. But over here, we can easily use our small ball and apply more targeted, precise pressure onto our muscles. Go ahead and roll, find all those spots, and you can use trigger point maps or charts to see where those trigger points usually are, or just simply get acquainted with your body. Roll, cover as much space as possible, and that's going to help you locate your trouble spots. Now, once we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and sit up. One of the spots, one of the trigger points that usually can cause a lot of pain is located actually in the back, and it's a little tricky to get to. So for this, you will need a hard chair, stool, bench. I'm going to be using a box over here. You're going to find your sitting bone and go about an inch under it. This is where this particular trigger point is going to be. We're going to start by using a large ball, simply because it's a little easier to maneuver. And we're gonna place yourself on your bench, your chair, and try to place the ball in that spot and sit on it. And you can roll a little bit over here. Make sure you're not going over the sitting bone. You are just right under it, about an inch or an inch and a half. And apply pressure. The more you shift your weight, the more pressure you apply. Now let's go ahead and try a smaller tool, smaller ball. It will be a little bit more difficult to apply pressure, but it's still possible. So go ahead and sit here. You can lean forward to increase your pressure. And it might take some maneuvering to find this exact location. So go ahead and roll, roll, roll. And once you found it, just stop there and breathe. And even if the first time you don't feel that you're really found the spot, you're really able to locate it, that's okay. Just try it another time. It takes time to learn your body. It takes time to learn to control and to get acquainted with your body. So once we're done, we can do some stretches. So you can bring the leg out, flex the foot. You can lean forward. It's gonna go, stretch will go on the inner thigh and a little bit in the hamstring. So you can lean in here. And obviously we can also do a very popular and easy stretch. You're gonna bring the leg up and go on the outside. If you have a strap, go ahead and hold on to it. Or you can grab your ankle or your shin and bring the leg out. Good. Now you can bring the knees together, open them up, and drop like a butterfly to release. There are a lot of really great stretches for inner thighs. This is some of those muscles that are easy to get to. So you can do anything that feels good for your body. But those are some of the easier ones, and you can relax in this position for a little bit.